Okay. Nice and slowly. Ryan, look at what Grandpa's showing you.
What's that?
What do you think?
Yay! Do you like it? It's your Christmas gift from Grammy and Grandpa. This is going to live at your house now.
Oh, go up the bridge. Come down the bridge over here. Keep coming. I'll get him. I'll get him. Here he is. Make him go down the hill. Woohoo! You like that? Look at all the trains.
See the black one on the other side, Ryan? Ryan, can you give Grammy and Grandpa a big hug to say thank you? Oh, thank you. He said thank you. Did you hear
Yes,
him?
he did. He said thank you. We'll get a hug later.
Grandpa, show him how that one works. Ready?
Grandpa, show him how that one works.
Oh, I think he just put it down. He just did it down. Yeah.